Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to connect a GoDaddy domain to your Squarespace website. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Squarespace website right here at squarespace.com if you're not already, and after doing so, it's going to open up this new main page of Squarespace where you want to go ahead and log into your account. So after logging into your account, you'll be greeted by the home page where you can access your dashboard. We can find all the websites that we own and have right here. And as you can see at the top of the screen next to the dashboard section, we can find the domain section. So guys, this is what we want to open up. So next to the domain section guys, you can see now we have our domains and we can find all the domains we have. Currently, I do not have any domains. But if I want to use a GoDaddy domain that I already own using GoDaddy, all I have to do is just go ahead and select either transfer a domain or get a domain. If you open up get a domain, it's going to enable you to go ahead and purchase a domain directly from Squarespace. But if you open up transfer a domain, this is all going to open up this page where you can go ahead and enter the domain to get started. So you can enter in your domain that you have bought and that you have. So enter it in right here and click next guys to go ahead and follow the steps to get started with transferring your domain, entering all the info, prove it's yours, and after that it will be successfully connected to your website that you choose. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.